Yeah, if you can click on the overview tab right there. And then are you looking at these stats for a specific date range, or are you wanting to look at as long as the quiz has been published?
I think it's just been published a few weeks now, so
Okay.
yeah. So I think this encompasses all of the traction so far.
Okay. It would make, where else, if you're, in addition to the ad, where else are you sharing the quiz?
It's mostly ad, Instagram. Yeah, I think it's ad and Instagram so far.
Okay. The what I would recommend first, and what I'll send you a link to this after we chat, is sending your ad and your ad analytics to Ashleigh. So Ashleigh is in our community group. It's called the Quiz Collective. She has a specific space called Facebook Ad Support,
Oh,
and I
cool.
would have her look at the stats of your ad, because it could be that the ad is just getting in front of the wrong people, or people that aren't going to complete your quiz.
Yeah,
And um
that could be. I'm not super
yeah, and I
confident in
just
my
wouldn't want you to make a
Instagram.
whole bunch of changes to the quiz if it's actually just the ad that's getting the quiz in front of the wrong
Uh,
people, which is why
yeah.
they're not completing it. Do you know if the ad that you have set up is a conversion ad? Is it set up that way? Or also, is this ad on Facebook or something else?
It's on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think it's driving to the website. So the page that I have the quiz embedded on my website.
Okay, so I'm not an expert in ads, and I forget which one this could be, but that might, maybe it's called a traffic ad, which is designed to get people to the page, but a
Mm,
conversion ad is designed to get people to take the call to action that you're giving them. So not
mm.
only are they going to this page, but they're clicking in to start the quiz, and they're more likely to subscribe from it. So
Gotcha.
Ashleigh in that Facebook ad support channel has a couple of videos that tell you exactly what she needs to look at in order to critique the ad entirely. I would also send her a link to your quiz, because she'll match like quiz feedback with ad feedback as well.
Oh, that's
And
amazing. That's awesome.
yeah, and that's where I would start, because like I said, I wouldn't want you to make changes to your quiz if it's really just the ad that's getting it in front of the wrong people, and the right
Yeah.
people would complete the quiz as it currently is. So that's where I would start.